My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the pop-ups that promote a special browser extension called Darkit.online. And the website that promotes this extension is also called Darkit.online. Some people might suddenly see these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser, and the pop-ups indicate that some extension might be required to access blocked sites and view videos anonymously. But the point is that all these extensions, including Darkit.online, may function as adware or as browser hijacking extensions. It is extremely dangerous to interact with these pop-ups or to tolerate such extensions. The developers of this extension, called Darkit.online, promise that by installing the extension you'll be able to enable the dark theme for the websites that you visit. But the reality is that this extension may also function as adware. Depending on certain conditions, the extension may show a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. It may also collect some browsing-related information. So if you have discovered this particular extension to be the part of your computer, you should get rid of it immediately from the Google Chrome browser. Access the menu, go to More Tools, and then choose Extensions. If you find this extension, disable and remove the extension. If you see any other extensions here that are not familiar to you, get rid of them. I would also recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and begin researching your computer to identify and eliminate other unwanted software or malware from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.